Today I'm going to show you how to set up your social media center for the first time. What I need you to do is you are going to log into your back office. It should look something like this. Next, you're going to open up the menu on the bottom left, and you should see two tabs up here, Office and Social. If you click on Social, it'll open into the Social Media Center. So, as you can see, I'm already logged into Facebook up here, and the Social Media Center has recognized that. So I'm going to continue with that and log into Facebook. And I have a lot of pages that I am an admin on. So you're going to choose the correct business page and click Continue. Next, you want to localize your content. I'm going to concentrate on different cities since I have different business pages. Click Continue. You can put as many as you like, and then you click Finish, and you're all set. It's as easy as it is. So next, it's going to ask if I want to do automated listing. Now, when you get to this part, listings connected, do you want to auto advertise them? You're going to say skip for now, which is down here, because you don't want them charging your credit card for every time that you have a new listing or a price change. So skip for now. And it'll go through the process of connecting to the Facebook page and everything. And you're all done. Now if you go to your social media center, it'll try to pop up and tell you what other social media sites or platforms are not connected. I'm not going to connect to Instagram right now, so I'm just going to skip out of that. And this is the dashboard. So as you can see, you've got videos and how-to. You've got upcoming content. That is what is going to post to your different social media sites. And you can see what they look like and edit them. It also tells you what they are. So this is a video on the 7th. Let's preview that. And what this does is it's got a pre-recorded little animation and just a simple header right there. You can also see all of your content if you go to the left on Content Calendar, and that will show you all of the media that's going to pop up on your feed. By default, it posts to each social media site every other day, so you're not overwhelming everybody. Shows you where and when it's going to do it. So at 1:05 p.m. today, 10:05 on Saturday, and you can even preview them in the calendar. So for example, on Saturday, I'm posting a link to a home value website that comes fully filled in with the description and what it is, and this is your website. So if someone was to put in their information and get their estimate, you would get that lead sent to you via text or email, depending on your office settings. You're also able to advertise listings with the listing tab. And you can promote all of our company's listings. If you have a listing and you do not want others to advertise it or to promote it, you can turn off your settings. You can turn it off in settings. But I'm going to show all the company listings. I'm okay with that. So this is every single listing that Coldwell Banker Access Realty has in all the MLSs in all the states. Up at the top, you'll see listings. There's a tab for My Listings, which are the listings that have my name on them in the MLS. I have nothing, so that's why. Company listings, like I said, are all the listings in the entire company. Landing pages. The back office social media center will automatically create landing pages for you so you can generate leads. We've got the home value, which you've already seen, or a contact me page. This will walk you through how to create a contact form page. That's the standard version. However, you can also create your own. And then this will give you options. You can change the photo, you can change the verbiage. Let's do 40%. You can change the background image to something you like. And this is where you change the title text, the description. It'll say courtesy of. You can do your name and photo down here, photo only or do not show. I always say name and photo, why not? And then you're all set. You can share it to your social media or save it. And if you click on the home button, you'll go back to your dashboard and you can see how many people have seen it, how many people it's reached, what their engagement is. So if they clicked on a website or they made a comment, and time saved. You can see how, if you click the see how link. So it calculates it by basically calculating the amount of time it would take you to create the listing, market it, and all of that, and then post that on your dashboard. They also allow for live webinars. So for example, tomorrow is why to include social media marketing and listing presentations. And your social media marketing can be shown and proven on your analytics tab. So this was posted, 92 impressions, it reached 85 people and 3 people engaged with it. So you can put things like that. So if you're doing a listing report on a listing that you've had for, say, 6 months, you can actually go into the post that you created about that and see all of the details. You can also, once you have one for long enough, you can actually generate a report for your sellers.